We've got this hydraulophone here, and that's really nice. Oh yeah, I better zip this bag up too. Okay, thanks. Cool. Yeah. You want to join us for a swim?
Pretty bad ourselves.
At this time.
We can just stay shallow to play safe. It does get deep quickly here though.
Hey, how are you?
Very good, how are you?
You gonna join us for a dip?
Howen, you remember me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I spoke to you last time in the lab, but
Yeah, skip the dip.
yeah, because honestly I don't think I can do the waves.
Oh yeah, it's a little rough.
It's a little rough today.
Yeah, well, I just gotta test my brainwave sensor. Good to see you. Awesome to see you. This is Perry.
Okay. Hi.
Yeah, Perry.
My name's Howard. Hi, Howard.
Howen,
Yeah.
one of my students. Yeah, I think I do. Well, I didn't go. You don't mind sporting a little risk?
Yeah. It's just like I weigh up the risk and it's
Yeah. You can try the hydraulophone, the underwater pipe organ.
oh, this is the one.
Yeah. I don't know if this water is any cleaner than what was in the lake.
Do you want to bring the hydraulophone in the sauna?
Yeah, actually there's hardly anybody in there. We could, you know. We
Do you
could.
need a hand with it?
We could, yeah. Do you want to just
I can.
hang on a second?
Sure.
Yeah, there's hardly anyone in there.
It's too cold to carry it, Steve, so
Yeah, maybe he can help us.
I will do that.
I'll get a spare battery.
Careful, it's wet.
Yeah, don't spill.
It's a bit slippery on there as well, especially the wood bits.
Yeah, be careful. Step only on the slats there to make sure you don't step only on these things, right? Like come.
No, I'll open the door for you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, close the door. Don't let the cold in.
Tasha.
Your phone's fogging up, is it?
Yeah. Oh, no, we're good now. That's getting us in. There you go. Okay.
There we go.
The vibrations are really cool. It is almost like it's
jets.
This is getting. Is this a little hot? Is that okay?
It's not super hot. It takes a while before. It's quiet when the water, when it's hot. The only thing, problem with hydraulophone is it gets quiet when it gets hot, but it'll play louder when it's cold or under pressure. It'll play loud at the bottom of the pool.
Cool.
That's cool.
It's kind of a nice little. I should design one for sauna use though.
Right.
Were you always an artist your whole life?
Yeah, I've been an inventor, artist, engineer, designer.
Very cool.
I do different things. I invent new technologies and.
Sounds like our great uncle was an inventor too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Which one?
John Wiggins.
Oh, yeah. He made Creamore Springs. I don't know if you're a beer drinker.
Oh really?
Oh, oh,
That's
that's
his,
really cool.
brewery. He didn't invent beer. I can't give him credit for that.
I made a song about Steve as an inventor. It's called
Oh yeah.
The Man Who Saw Tomorrow. And it tells the story about Steve.
Oh, fun. How long have you guys known each other for?
A few years.
Yeah, through SwimOP. We've been swim buddies for quite a while now.
Clever. Give you the most money.
That's why we got to vote when it's the provincial election.
Yeah.
You would agree.
I'm scared. No whole bucket again, please.
There comes the bucket.
No, it's painful.
Steve.
One at a time, maybe now.
A little heat feels good though, doesn't it?
Too much for Howard.
Hey, Matt. You're so funny.
Oh, yeah. People wear the, like you've got this hat on.
Yeah,
Can we throw water on my head so my hair doesn't burn?
there's oil in it.